Hi, hello, BGR tutorials, AI technologies, and this tutorial. So many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial point videos, share and like and comment. Thank you. Hi, welcome to back my channel BGR tutorial point, my old channel Tech Today 481. Today topic is the HDLC is the networking. This HDLC networking high-level data link layer control. It's the basic data link layer control protocol that widely used computer network. This primarily functions to the ensure that integrated frame flow management, error detection, point-to-point, and what is the HDLC use? This high-level data link layer control is communicate protocol used for transmitting data between devices in telecommunication and networking. What are the different types of HDLs? This HDLs is frame including frame following type, information frame, I frame, the responsible for transmission useful data information, supervision of the frame is called S frame. This is responsible for error control, fluid control, unmarriable frames means U frames, the responsible for these U frames established here down and so on. What is the maximum frame size of the HDLC? This window size variation at typical 7 frames must have total lines and up to 128 frames per satellite. Hello friends, now I will explain high level data link layer control. It is called abbreviation HDLC. This is the high level data link layer control groups communication protocols data link layer. It transmits data between a networking point to node. Since of the data link protocol data organization frames transmit of the via networking to destination verify successfully arrival. It is a bit oriented protocol. The transfer mode and normal response mode NRM. This now I will explain this normal response mode. The black diagram is the primary rotation and command go to. The secondary rotation is the response is coming. This first position. The second position is point to point communication. Primary station and secondary station, two computers, two users, multi-users are there. To multiple communication is given to command to this secondary station. The secondary stations also users are response multi users at a time. The asynchronous balancing mode, this is the I will explain. Asynchronous balanced mode is the ABM abbreviation. A configuration is the balanced example. Each station can both sending commands and response to the command. It used only point to point communication. The station asynchronous balanced mode station, the command response, the station and another station also command response is the both side is the protocols are this flag, address, control, and payload FFC. This is the HDL forms, the flag 1 byte and address 1 byte, control 1 byte, payload variable, and FCSC 2 or 4 bytes, and flag is 1 byte. The types of forms, the I form, super form, supervisor form, and U form, unnumberable frame. The HDL form. The I form is the flag address control use data form upper layer FCSC flag. Super form, the flag address control FCSC flag. U form, flag address control management FCSC flag. The HDL encapsulation protocols is the 6-7 fields like a start, in flag field, and control field, and information field, FCS frame check sequences field. The standard HDL's protocol contains 6 fields: address field, control field, protocol field, verify HDL's encrypt, troubleshoot HDL encrypts, show IP interface brief, show interface, presence of non-Cisco router remote side, usage other protocols such as PPP by remote side router, be resolved swapping all the fault cables, failure of the hardware. This issue can be solved, change the serial line on other ports. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial channel. Please like, please share. Thank you once again. You are VGR tutorials.
Why is HDLC important? This HDLC support both direction and bidirectional communication. HDLC provide following control mechanism during the communication process. Ensure that the transmitter does not overvalue receiving this. What are the application of HDLC? This basically provides the reliable delivery data from frames over to networking communication. The HDLC provides operation of the framing data, transparency, error the detection, this corrections of the event flow control. What is the characteristic of HDLC? The HDLC provide both the connections oriented and connectionless and services had this features frames. The what layer of the HDLC? This HDLC is the layer 2 technology. The HDLC is the group of data links layers through protocol use transmission synchronize data packets between the point to point and node. Data is organized and addressable. The frame, this is the frame we used multiple protocols and instead of the HDLC likes framing protocol describe this.
What are the key features of this HDLC? The bit-oriented protocol HDLC transmitted data and bit streaming rare their characteristic-oriented protocol framing the HDLC's definition for formats including flag synchronization, addressing, controlling information that if any and other frame check sequence error detection, flow control. This HDL's implementation mechanism to manage flow data between the networking node, prevent one node to from overwhelming another. Error control HDLs including error detection correction mechanisms such as cycle redundancy check CRCS. This automatic relation transmission requested ARQ. This automatic retransmission request the ARQS services. The connection of the oriented, the connectionless services. The HDLC can provide both connection oriented where a connection is established before data transmission and the connectionless is where our data is transmitted independently services. The station type services, this is the HDLC definition, prime, secondary and combination station, different roles and data transmission operation modes. The HDL support response for mode NRM, Asynchronous Response Mode ARM, and the Asynchronous Balanced Mode ABM. This frame structure, this HDL frame typically including following field: flag marks beginning and the end of the frame, the address identification receiving, the control content information about the frames type, the I frame, S frame, and U frame, the following the flow control, the information, the data being transmitted optionally, the frame check sequence FCS used error detection. The common application is the networking HDLC used by networking environment including point to point, multiple point link. The telecommunication HDLC plays role the communication networking, frame relay networking, the ISO IES standards, HDLC's definition, international organized standards, IOS in the standard. Please subscribe my VGR tutorial and please share, please comment. Thank you once again your tech tool and your VGR tutorials.